In daily life, we encounter objects of various shapes, and an essential part of processing these products is the cutting die. Here are several examples to help you better understand knife mold products. First, mobile phone screen protectors, laptop keyboard protectors, circuit boards, PCBs, adhesive labels, etc. in the electronics industry. Second, lithium battery positive and negative electrode sheets and electrolyte membranes, electric vehicle components, battery modules, control boards, and other components in the new energy industry. Thirdly, medical masks, sanitary pads, wound dressings, and so on in the medical daily chemical industry. Fourthly, business cards and cards, labels and stickers, packaging labels, and so on in the printing industry. Knife molds can also work with various materials, such as adhesive backing, insulation, metal, foam, dust-proof nets, conductive materials, etc. The following are two types of die board laser cutting machines produced by our company. Flat die board laser cutting machine PC1218P, which is mainly targeted at the packaging industry and can cut wooden boards, organic glass, acrylic boards, medium fiber boards, carbon steel plates below 3 mm, iron plates, etc. PEC3000 circular die board laser cutting machine is suitable for various circular templates with diameters ranging from 180 to 540 mm, mainly used in industries such as printing and packaging, advertising, furniture, models, handicrafts, etc. To make a knife mold, you also need a bending machine. Our CNC bending machine PEC100 is widely used in the production of thin metal materials required for molds such as color boxes, cigarette boxes, electronic products, button panels, cookies, etc. Used in industries such as printing and packaging, laser knife molds, vacuum forming knife molds, lighting fixtures, and handmade knife molds. In the process of making knife molds, you can also choose other auxiliary tools according to your needs. Contact us for more detailed information.